So this is our Act Best Core ST model bike, ST meaning step through, so you can step through the frame to get on the seat. And I'm going to show you how to replace the brakes on this model. This model has the Yinxing or the Yinxing brakes. And so I'll show you some of the things that you're going to need to replace the brakes on this model. A couple things would be a metric Allen set, some medium strength thread locker, a small screwdriver, as well as a set of the brake pads that you can purchase on Amazon. And I'll show you, I'll give you a link below where you can order those brake pads. So first what we'll do is we'll get our 3mm Allen wrench, and then we'll take that over to our And then first thing we need to do is take out the screw for the brakes that hold them in, which is right here with our 3mm Allen wrench. Pull that out, set it to the side, and with our small screwdriver we can just work out the brake pads. Once you get them with these two tabs free here on this side, they should pull out pretty easily. So here's our kit that we get on Amazon. Comes with a few tools if you're going to be doing hydraulic brakes. Also a wrench to adjust the brakes later, which we'll use that 5mm. And these are how the packs come. Comes with this cotter pin, which we don't need because we have a screw. So first we'll have to cut this loose with cut the wire tie loose, and then I'll show you how to put them in. So depending on how much adjustment you have in your brakes, you might need to use your 5mm Allen key to release the brake a little bit on the back, maybe just to give it a full turn. And then we should be able to slide the brakes in. Now, various people say you should take out the caliper, take the wheel off, and you can do that if you need to. But I've often found that I can get these in pretty easily without doing that. So it's just a matter of getting that screw hole lined up. Once you do that, we'll apply a little bit of our medium strength thread locker to the threads here. Just a little drop is all you need. And the brake is in. Now let me show you how to adjust the brakes. So to adjust the brakes, first thing you're going to use is your 5mm Allen wrench to loosen the two bolts that secure the caliper. Just give it a turn or so that it's loose. It can move. Then what you're going to do is insert your 5mm on the back side of the caliper where there's a screw. Tighten that all the way down. And then you're going to back that off, maybe a quarter of a turn off. Back it off. Then you're going to actually pull the brake handle so that the caliper is tightened. And then you're going to tighten these screws back. And there you go. You got your new brakes, and you should be good to go. And by the way, I'll post a couple of the links in the description also for the cup holder, for the phone holder, a couple of the other add-ons that we've put on this bike that found to be very comfortable. Any comments or questions, please leave a comment. And thanks for watching. Enjoy the ride.